we're in Panama City, Florida, and I just caught a bass right here. And this is actually where my Nana owns property. So I'm gonna try to catch another one on film for you guys.
Come on then, Steele. Be careful where you're going, bro. So what you think about this, Steele? So Steele, tell them what you're doing.
John?
Yes, sir.
That box stay on the end.
Okay.
You get over there, get that down, that's the reel.
Okay.
I don't know if there's bugs in there or not, but that's what it is.
So tell them, Steele, we're in Cousin Art's shed in Panama City, Florida, right? Mm-hmm. Actually in Parker, Florida. And he's turning over a bunch of stuff from Generation 4, all of their fishing tackle, and he's giving it to us. So look at all of these old fishing baits. This, Steele, this is crazy, huh? What do you think about all this stuff? Pretty excited about this? Hand them up.
Hey guys, I'm in Panama City, Florida, and I caught a bass, and it's so cool because we're going to Bass Pro Shops after.
And where'd we go earlier? We went to Cousin Art's house, and we got a whole bunch of fishing tackle from Generation 4, right? Mm-hmm. And that's awesome. So on the way back, we stopped, and Nana owns property that feeds this lake right here, so we stopped real quick by Nana's property, and you just caught a bass in Florida, didn't you? What you got to say about that?
It's so cool.
So we want to give a huge thanks to Cousin Art, who thought of us when he was recently going through his shed after Hurricane Michael hit Panama City, and he ran into all of his father's fishing tackle. That would have been my great uncle Harry, who was the one who got my dad started in fishing, and is actually from Generation 4 of the McGill family.
Sneak up on him and just lift him up out of the
So
water.
Art was nice enough to call us up, say he had run into this pile, which
There's
you
a
see
big one
still
right
going
here.
through right now, with all the reels. There's a lot of baits, a lot of the old wooden baits, and it's going to give us quite a project here for the near future to get all this stuff refurbished and put back together. So what do you think about all that, Steele?
It's very cool because this is from the 20s, 30s, and 40s, and 50s, and 60s, and 70s, and 80s, and 90s. So the good thing is...
Probably not so much 80s and 90s.
No.
No. Most of it's from the 30s and 40s, which is awesome.
What you got there?
All right, toss him back in, bud.
Well, I want to put a little deeper.
I think the fish are a little bit deeper. Bigger fish are a little bit deeper. And I'll put it back where you had it, because that's where you get better bites. There you go. Let it sink right there. There you go.
Into the sky.
Yeah.
I thought there was a huge one though.
Big ones.
Look, see the bubbles?
Got one?
Perch!
You got a big old bluegill.
A bluegill. Oh, wait. That one looks like good filleting. That one looks like good filleting. A biscuit. We know. I got a good plan. We can do the net with the worm right by the little things.
You can walk down. Yeah, you can walk down right there.
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, I caught a big bluegill. Got to let him go for you folks.
So while you kind of dig through that for another minute, let's give everybody a chance to check out a little section we just filmed yesterday. We happened to be in City Park in New Orleans, just playing around. Ran into a cool little guy, Kingston, and his mom, and you and Hodge were nice enough to take the time and try and teach him to fish. So we'll let him check that out, and in the meantime, if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. What else, Steele?
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
And now you're watching the green. What are those called?
Bobbers.
It's a bobber, right? Here you go.
So you don't reel it in, you let it stay
So when the
still.
bobber like starts going up and down, that means that you've got a nibble, you've got a bite. Hopefully a bite.
Steele, can you tell the kids who your new friend is? Do you remember his name?
Kingston.
That's right. Look at Kingston and let him say hello to the kids. Can you say hi, kids?
Hi, kids.
Oh, look at him, because he's got a camera.
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
There you go.
Okay, I think that's not a good cast. That was
Okay, cast one time and you can let him
a good spot.
reel it.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Peace out.